Hello, my dear students. Today we shall learn about the neutralization and salt. So, before knowing what is a salt, we have to perform an activity. Let's take 3 to 4 ml of dilute HCl in a test tube. Then add here 2 to 3 drops of phenolphthalein, and then we shall add here NaOH solution, sodium hydroxide solution, drop-wise manner. Okay, and we'll add the sodium hydroxide solution to this test tube drop-wise manner by continuous stirring it, and we shall see the change in color if any time to time. If we will continue this process, then we shall get a pink color for sometimes, then it will again dissolve and it will be colorless again. So in this way, if we will add sodium hydroxide continuously, then a point will come, an instant comes here, that the solution will become permanently pink. When we shall add again 1 or 2 drops of HCl, it will become colorless. When we shall again add 1 to 2 drops of sodium hydroxide solution, it will become pink. Then what we may conclude here? In acidic solution, it is colorless, but in basic solution, the solution will be pink. We have done the phenolphthalein test earlier also. In the previous class, we have discussed about this. So, what we may conclude here? What is happening here actually? When an acidic solution is mixed with a basic solution, both the solutions neutralize the effect of each others. When both the solutions are mixed in a suitable amount, both acidic and basic nature are destroyed, as a result of which the resulting solution is neither acidic nor basic. This point where both acid and base loses their properties is known as point of neutralization. Point of neutralization, and the process is known as neutralization process. Hence, the reaction between an acid and a base is known as neutralization. In the process of neutralization, both acid and base loses their properties and a new compound is formed and water are formed. A new compound and water are formed along with evolution of heat. The new compound formed during the process of neutralization is called as a salt. So, we must summarize the total reaction here. Acid, when reacts with base, acid plus base, it gives salt plus water plus heat, or evolution of, along with evolution of heat. For example, here we have taken hydrochloric acid and acid. The chemical formula is here HCl for hydrochloric acid. Sodium hydroxide, a base, its formula is NaOH. When both reacts, so we get here sodium chloride. Its chemical formula NaCl is salt plus water. The formula of water is H2O and heat. So, this is the neutralization reaction where salt, water and heat are produced. Now we shall discuss use of neutralization in everyday life. What are the uses of neutralization in our everyday life? The first ones in indigestion. So when hydrochloric acid present in stomach get imbalanced due to overeating or too much eating, so too much of acid in the stomach causes indigestion and we suffer from stomach burning. We suffer from stomach burning. So at that time what happened? In order to neutralize this, we have to take any one type of base so that it will be neutralize, the effect of the hydrochloric acid will be reduced. So to get relief from it, we use a base like your eating soda, that is known as baking soda, eating soda or baking soda, and by taking a pinch of eating soda or baking soda and you will drink water, then we will get relief from our stomach burning. Or we may take milk of magnesia, the antacid that I have discussed earlier, so that the excess acid will be neutralized by the base and we will get relief from the stomach burning. Now another use is ant bite, or suppose honeybee will bite you, then when an ant or honeybee bites you, it injects an acid into the skin so that your skin will be irritated, burning, skin will burn due to injection of formic acid. The acid which is injected by the ant or honeybee is formic acid. So in order to reduce the effect of formic acid, we have to take a base. So in this case what happened? If we will take a little of moist baking soda or lime water, apply on the skin, then we will get relief from it. So in order to reduce the effect of ant bite, we have to use here baking soda, moist baking soda along with water, or we may apply some lime water on the skin so that we shall get relief from the pain of ant bite. Another is your soil treatment. So due to continuous farming, the soil become more acidic or more basic. Plant do not grow well if the soil will be too much acidic or too much basic. In order to neutralize the acidic soil, quick lime, which is nothing but the lime powder, calcium oxide, lime powder, chuna. So lime powder is applied, which produces slack lime. Lime water. This is nothing but calcium hydroxide. So calcium hydroxide, this is the calcium hydroxide base which neutralize the effect of acidic effect of the soil, and the soil will be neutral one, so that we shall get better crops. Similarly, when the soil is too much basic, then we have to add some organic matters. Cow dungs or etc., or any your green manures, if we will apply here, then the basic nature will be neutralized. So organic matter will produce acid and it will neutralize the basic soil. Similarly, another use is that tooth decay. So bacteria present in mouth produce acids. By degradation of sugar and food particles remaining in the mouth, it produces acid substance in our cavity, mouth cavity. So if we will not wash our mouth properly, then that acidic substance present, that acid present in our tooth or mouth, it will decay our teeth. So in order to neutralize the effect of this tooth decay, we have to use a base, and that's why we use toothpaste. Toothpaste is basic in nature, so toothpaste, we are applying here toothpaste daily. So toothpaste is basic in nature, so this toothpaste will neutralize the acidic effect present or produced by the bacteria, hence it will prevent the tooth decay. So these are the 4 uses I've discussed here. Now we shall see some list of neutralizers reaction and salt serial number, name of the acid, name of the base, and produced salt. So first one is your hydrochloric acid, chemical formula HCl, sodium hydroxide, chemical formula NaOH. The produced salt in the neutralization process is sodium chloride, its chemical formula is NaCl. Next is hydrochloric acid, base is lime water, the chemical formula is CaOH whole 2, and the salt produced here is calcium chloride, CaCl2. Third one is your hydrochloric acid, base is your potassium hydroxide, chemical formula is KOH. So the salt produced is here potassium chloride, chemical formula is KCl. Sulfuric acid, chemical formula is H2SO4, base is sodium hydroxide, NaOH. So the salt produced here is sodium sulfate, Na2SO4. Next is your sulfuric acid, H2SO4, lime water, CaOH whole 2, the chemical formula. The salt produced here is calcium sulfate, CaSO4. Next is your nitric acid, base is your sodium hydroxide, the chemical formula of nitric acid HNO3, sodium hydroxide is NaOH. The salt produced is sodium nitrate, NaNO3. Next, nitric acid, ammonium hydroxide. The formula of ammonium hydroxide NH4OH. And the salt produced is ammonium nitrate, NH4NO3. Next, nitric acid and lime water, CaOH whole 2. The salt produced here is calcium nitrate, CaNO3 whole 2. So, the student, please like, share and subscribe to get more educative videos. Give your comments. Okay.